course.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I want to
Tell.
ask question like Albert has given all the description, all that. Like according to me, it was long, so I have to prepare. We have to prepare that long, or it could be short.
It should
Like
be. It should be short. Albert is talking as if he is a lecturer. Uttara lecturer तो जरूरत नहीं है. There
okay,
is no
sir.
need. One has to talk for. See, interview is a situation where you are going to talk for just 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And you must be smiling always, be confident and tell them briefly. At the same time, you should not answer in one word, 2 word answers. It should be in sentences, brief sentences. Understand? A Reserve Bank, see, supposing they ask you to tell about Reserve Bank, you say, Reserve Bank is the bank. The Reserve Bank is one of the banks of the banks in India. So like that, you should not falter in talking. Do you follow? You should tell specifically, Reserve Bank is the central bank of our country. Mr. Shaktikanta Das is the governor. Reserve Bank's main functions are bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and monetary policy authority. Likewise, you should talk specifically. If they want, they will ask you, please elaborate about note issuing authority functions. Then you have to talk about that. Understand? Very good. Now we are with Kiran. Kiran, where are you? Yeah.
I am here. I am here.
You are also from Kerala?
Yes, sir. I am from Kerala.
Which part of Kerala? Hello? Which district? Kerala internet problematic most of the times.
Hello? Hello.
Internet went out.
Hello, sir. Am I audible now?
Now audible. From which place are you coming?
Sir, I am from Kollam district and from a town called Kundra.
Acha. Kundra town is famous for what?
Sir, it's having a lot of significance in the history of Kerala freedom fight and industrial history of Kerala, because the place is mainly known for the great Kundra proclamation which happened in the 1806. And when we look to the industrial history of Kerala, there are so many old industries like the Kel and Kerala Ceramics Limited, Aluminium Industries of India Limited, and so many such industries were there in the past in our hometown.
Everything was okay except that you said Kerala freedom. Was there a separate moment as Kerala freedom movement?
No, sir. It was the one of the first incidents happened in.
You should simply say freedom movement. You don't have to say Kerala freedom
Okay,
movement, Tamil Nadu freedom movement, India freedom movement. There is no need. Some minor mistake there, doesn't matter. Good. So your interview is going to be on which date, Kiran?
Sir, my interview is going to be in 2nd June in morning session.
In Trivandrum?
No, sir, in Ernakulam, in Marine Drive Federal Bank Zonal Office.
Good. So let me ask different questions, because I don't want to ask the same question again and again, because we have been discussing the same question many times. Now, how to ask a different question? Please tell me what are all the frauds that can be committed by employees?
In a banking sector.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. There as we seen in the Punjab National Bank issue relating the diamond Nirav Modi issue. In that case itself, we can see that he got many help from the banking authorities and very banking personnel from Punjab National Bank. Like they helped him in document manipulation and everything. So things like that could happen, and also for personal benefits also some people working in bank may misuse many things for their personal benefits. So things like that are the main things a person working in a bank can do to manipulate manipulate things for his benefit.
Yeah, yeah. You took the very big issue itself, namely Nirav Modi issue, where an employee of the bank colluded with another senior officer of the bank and say sent letters of say letter of undertaking to various banks using the bank's ID and all, but the
Yes,
transactions
sir.
were not routed through the records of the bank.
Yes, sir.
They
Yes,
were
sir.
not brought into the bank. So that is one type of this thing. Another type of thing you were telling is a person can do frauds for his personal benefit by misusing some of the things available. That is all very simple. Somebody taking one ballpoint pen, one quire of white paper home, or some jump clip taking. That is all nothing. That's very simple. That's not a big issue. But people try to cheat the bank by
By manipulating the
yeah,
accounting details and like
by
that, they
manipulating
can.
accounts also they can do. For example, if they are in inoperative accounts can be
Yes, sir.
can be mishandled by them if only
Yes.
one officer and one clerk they join together.
Yes, sir.
But in some cases, what happens in villages, the manager himself will be going out because one manager, one clerk. So when he is going out, he wants the work to be done. So what he will do, he will give his password to this fellow and go. And at
Yes,
that time,
to the clerical one.
when passwords are interchanged, then also frauds can take place.
Okay, sir.
Good. So what is the share price of Federal Bank now?
Actually, sir, I didn't know that actual answer for that share price of Federal Bank.
125 rupees.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Can you,
123 now.
pardon?
Sir, now 123 na?
123. Acha? Oh,
Yes, current sir.
let me check it out. I saw today morning or so. Federal Bank share price. Yeah, 125.30. Right now, it is 125.30. Where did you see 123?
2 to 3 days I am checked the last.
Are Baba, I am more advanced than you. I have seen before coming to the screen, I will see that. I saw the same screen, 125.30. Doesn't matter. Now, Kiran.
Yes, sir.
What is your father?
Sir, my father is a government employee and he is working as a UD clerk in the CAP department of Kerala.
What is your mother?
My mother is a higher secondary school principal, sir. She is also a government employee.
Good. How many siblings you have?
Sir, I am having a younger brother and he is too young. He is only 15 years old now.
Acha. Good. Which class is he studying? 10th.
Now he is going to appear for his 10th class this academic year, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now you are from Kollam.
Yes, sir.
Kollam, have you visited Federal Bank branch?
Yes, sir. In my village itself, the first bank to establish is Federal Bank almost about 10 or 12 years ago.
Can you describe
the
that?
first bank,
Can you elaborate or describe that branch to us?
sir, our place, as I said, in our my place is in Kundra in Kollam, but it's my house is situated about 3 kilometers inside of Kundra, which is a village area. So we were not having any banking facilities in our village about 10 to 15 years ago, and the first bank to appear here was Federal Bank. It started with a branch having, in my memory, it's I think 2 clerk and 1 assistant manager and 1 manager. And the initial customers there were farmers here, and there was a school near to that bank, very near to that bank. And during that time, my mother was working there. So they visited the school teachers and all for taking a bank account. So my mother also took one bank account. Later, my parents and neighbors, all of us near our home is now having a account in there. So the bank is now running in a well manner. So that's the thing in my memory, I would like
How many staff are there
to
now?
say about the bank in our
How
village.
many staff members are there?
Sir, now there are three clerical staffs and 2 peons presently, and as other branches there are 1 assistant manager and 1 manager.
Very good, very good, very good. Can you tell me what is black money?
Sir, black money, in generally we say black money for the illegal money that people try to infuse into our financial system, like money acquired from terrorism activities or fraudsters or from arms dealings or drug dealings, etc. like that.
What is insider trading?
Sir, I am not aware about insider trading. Sorry.
What is your degree?
Sir, I am a BTech mechanical engineering graduate.
Oh, insider trading involves.
May I go ahead with insider trading?
Yeah, please tell.
Insider trading is a practice that is usually done from the internal management of the company, in which the member of the company get the advantage to trade for that particular securities.
Correct. In other words, supposing you are working in, say, Infosys, and you come to know that Infosys is going to declare their results, and that too excellent results, and you are hopeful of the share price to go up, what you will do? You will use that information and try to buy more shares. Insider trading involves trading in a public company stock or other securities by employees with non-public material information about the company. Insider trading can be either illegal or legal, depending on when the insider makes the trade and laws of the country. But in our country, it is illegal only. In our country, it is illegal to have insider trading, whereby you are using the information. You are using the information. So that is wrong. Okay. Good.
Okay, sir.
What is 30% of 30?
9 is the answer, sir.
What is 19 square?
19, 20, 361, sir.
Good. So what is A plus B plus C whole square?
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC, sir.
Good. That is correct. Yeah. Can you tell about the Federal Bank's quarterly profit and annual profit?
Sir, in the financial year 2022-23, the last quarter of the year recorded a quarterly profit of 903 crore for the Federal Bank, and an annual profit for the last year was around 3,000 crores for Federal Bank.
3010, make it clear.
Yes, sir. 3,000 crore, 3,010 crores, sir.
Good. What is meant by quarter?
A quarter phase of the year refers to 3 months period time, sir.
Correct. You are from Kerala. You are going to
Yes,
be
sir.
studying in Bengaluru for 2 years. Thereafter,
Yes,
if you
sir.
are posted to North India, what will be your preference?
Sir, I will move on with the decision made by my bank because I already chosen the bank to serve them. So I will accept the opportunity and take it as a challenge to move on with the decision, and I will provide my best to for the growth of the bank.
Why sudden change from mechanical engineering to banking?
Sir, actually, my initial plan was to go abroad for a post-graduation course in a foreign country. So during the COVID scenario, my parents, there was some family situation which pressured me to stay in my own country, and that's why later on I changed my mind and I chosen the banking field, banking competitive exam field, and mainly I focused on banking exams.
Which other examination you have appeared for interview?
Sir, on the previous year, I haven't cracked any mains exam, unfortunately, but I wrote the mains exam of several exams like SBI clerk and so on.
What do you like most in your district or state?
Sir, the most I would like to enjoy is the natural beauty and everything, and the diverse natural beauty of in regards of my state. There is a lot of natural diversity. Like we are having the seashores and everything, so we can enjoy the nature of the beaches and everything. And if you want to enjoy the hill stations and everything, we are having areas like Munnar. Munnar, where we can enjoy the foggy atmosphere and a cold climate. So that's what I like the most about. And also, in regards of the food, we can explore a lot varieties of food items in Kerala. That's the most I like about my state.
What are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are I would like to cook for my friends and family. So I like cooking very much, and I love to play cricket. Cricket is like I'm a diehard fan of cricket, and others like I would like to hear good music, and I like to watch movies a lot. That's my hobby, sir.
What is the news relating to cricket today?
On the previous day, the rescheduled final of IPL happened, and in which Chennai Super Kings, a team from Tamil Nadu, won the trophy by beating Gujarat Titans. That's the main news yesterday regarding cricket.
Good. Excellent. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
No, sir, I am perfect by the guidance you provided with your class.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank
now,
you, sir.
Next boy.
Sir, can you please tell me about how is there any changes?
Yeah, it is okay. It's okay. You are answering well. You are answering well, and go with confidence.
Okay,
and
sir.
I wish you best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Next, 82810. Have you come? 82810. Has he come here now?
Sir, Ajay,
no, your last number is 819.
6819, sir. 6819.
Yeah, very good. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.